Hi guys, so
Y'all finna be, oh my bad.
what? Y'all who?
These fellas finna be gone.
So I don't know what this vlog is going to be. I don't know if it's going to be like a weekend vlog, a weekly vlog. I don't know. But yesterday, Travis went to, why is that flipped out like that? Yesterday, Travis went to a, like, what would you call it? A vintage antique shop.
Yeah, I said antique shop.
And he found a lot of great things. Also, y'all, look at this. We moving up in the world. Don't look at my bed because it's not made. But we're moving up in the world. And I will show y'all properly this here in a little bit. But let's go look at, let's do a little antique thrift haul, I guess. I don't know. Ew, it's like the trash can. Okay, so these are all the things that he found yesterday. So I wasn't even with him, y'all, but he saw all this stuff and he like FaceTimed me and I'm like, get all of it. So this is like my favorite thing. It's so pretty. Oh my god. I wish it was like a set, but, and this was, oh, the tag's not on it, but it wasn't a lot at all, like a single digit number. I can't remember, but I love this. And then he found these pans and pot set. It's beautiful. This, we have to wash it out and everything first, but that is beautiful. And then this, I feel like I can bake things in here. Very beautiful. And also this. Very pretty. And then this, I think I'm gonna just use this as a fruit bowl. I feel like that's what it probably is anyway. It is very pretty. He did such a good job. And then we got these salt and pepper shakers. Very beautiful. And these amber bottles that I have no idea what we're going to use them for, but they're going to get used for something. And that's the haul. So beautiful. Like, y'all, this cup, I'm in love. Like, wait. So beautiful. Okay, now I'm hungry, so I'm gonna cook me some brekkie.
Can I help you?
No. Gotta fight the feeling, cause I'm ready. Whoa, whoa. I forgot we had these. But ever since I can remember, I've been popping my collar. Popping my. Ever since I can remember, I've been working these. And they better put my money in my hand. So, I forgot to turn my camera back on, but we have some king trumpet mushrooms. And they are, I think they like a variation of oyster mushrooms, possibly. Camera rolling. Okay, let's see if we can hear the sizzle. I love it. You can hear the sizzle. Yes, I was expecting a little more. It's just the texture. Tofu texture ain't like this. You can make it like this though. Probably like silk and tofu.
Exactly how I feel about this recipe.
You did say that. No, for real. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what groceries I got really quickly, and I'm really tired and lazy because I just left the gym. So yeah, we got some of these chips. Some pinto beans, diced tomatoes for the Bombay potatoes I'm about to make, rice for when I'm lazy, onions, garlic, these snacks which are so good, noodles, hemp seeds, pinto beans, veggie broth for the Bombay potatoes I'm about to make, garbanzo beans, more diced tomatoes, salsa for the chips when we want a snack, tofu, dates, and sweet potato, red potatoes, and we got more king trumpet mushrooms. This is like all the produce stuff. We got shiitake. You can't even see it. There we go. Still can't see. Shiitake mushrooms, kale, cucumber, bell pepper. Pretty sure I got some Napa cabbage right here. So blur. Okay, because it's dark in there. Napa cabbage, blood oranges. Red beets, apples for juice. Those are just gala apples, romaine lettuce, red pepper, and I don't know if I said green pepper already, but that is the haul. I'm about to cook the potatoes and then I'll put all that stuff up. Yeah. Is that not a note right there? I could be wrong. For some reason, I've seen the previews for this one. For some reason, I want to watch it. I don't know. I always have liked freeform shows, but I think I'm not gonna watch Snowfall without Travis. I think I'm gonna watch Bob's Burgers. Hi. I think I want to flip the camera around because it's just, I like that view. So, okay, so guys, I'm closing off the vlog, the little weekend vlog. So I hope I did a good job vlogging. Let me sit down. I just really wanted to check in with y'all, really. What am I saying? It was a really chill vlog. So a little update. I got my septum repairs. That's what I did Friday. I didn't take the camera with me just because I didn't know what the vibe was gonna be up in the little tattoo shop. It was pretty straight though. But I got my septum redone. This is like my third or fourth time, and it hurt. Like, I don't know why it hurt it so bad this time, but it was like really hurting. But I got this little silver thing in. I'm excited to, she said I could change it out in 40 days, but I told her, like, girl, my birthday June 1st, and I need this thing taking out And I want like a little gold dainty horseshoe. Ugh, I cannot wait. Every time I've ever had a septum piercing, I take it out like for a job or for work purposes, but we don't got that problem no more. You feel me? Also, like, my baby been sick too, y'all probably can hear her coughing. So it's been really hectic. And Sunday, I think Saturday I just kind of chilled a little bit. I think I vlogged Saturday, but Sunday was like not a good day for me. I did not vlog at all that day. We did a shoot for my wellness brand, and it did not turn out good. We wanted to shoot at a certain location, which it was like we wanted to shoot at a tennis court, and literally every tennis court was locked off. Like, and it just really put me in a bad mood, especially like when you have expectations about something and it just doesn't go that way. And I told myself a long time ago, like, I really need to stop putting so many expectations on things, situations, people, because it's not fair. And 9 times out of 10, things never turn out the way that you thought they were going to turn out. So that's a lesson learned. But it ended up working out, as it always does. And yeah, what else happened? And then, like, so my cycle is coming like literally this week, and I always know when it's about to come because I just get sad and I just don't want to do nothing. I felt lazy. Yeah. But Sunday ended up being okay, but it started off pretty rough. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys like a vlog, like something chill, because I know I've had a lot of sponsored content in my last couple videos, and then I have some more coming up. And obviously every brand that I work with, like if I'm working with them, their values align with my personal brand, and I actually love a brand if I'm working with them. But I just know some people get really, I don't know, weird when it comes to a whole bunch of like sponsored content. But yeah, obviously I'm going to try to mix, put as much organic content out as I can as well. But yeah, I am doing good. I think I'm going to take like a rest day one of these days, because I felt really overwhelmed by like a lot of deadlines, a lot of work things, stuff like that. But I'm grateful for my platform. I'm grateful for that I'm able to serve others, but also live an abundant life, as we all already do. But you just have to believe you do. Anyway, I love you guys. Send you guys so much love, so much light, and I hope you guys are doing good. And I will see you in my next video.